Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate travel arrangements with Expedia. Quick tutorial step-by-step. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Expedia website. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email and password, then click Sign In. If you don't have an account, click on Create an account to register. Once signed in, locate the Travel tab on the home page. Click on Packages if you are looking for flight and hotel combinations. Select your departure city, destination, and travel dates. Use the filters to customize your search based on your preferences. Review the listed options and select the one that suits your itinerary. Add additional services, like car rentals or activities, if desired. After making your selections, click on Continue to check out. Review your travel arrangements to ensure accuracy. Enter your payment details in the required fields. Add any special instructions or requests in the Notes section. Confirm your booking by clicking on Book Now. Check your email for the confirmation and itinerary details. Log into your Expedia account to view and manage your bookings anytime. Explore the My Trips section for future reference and changes. Utilize the mobile app for notifications and updates on your travel plans. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.